Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You already know to hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell if you're new. And if you're not getting notifications, just check your settings on your phone and make sure that you can, all right? This will be timestamped. There's a lot to get into. I have been warning about days like today, though it's not the end of the world, but I've been warning about days like today. Leave me a coffee cup if I've been telling you guys to expect this. As a matter of fact, there was an 80% chance that days like this will exist. Hopefully this is, for some of you, that this is a one-day event and there's a recovery, but there is a possibility that this could continue. And if that does, for people that have cash and were ready for this, we are we are actually a little cool with it because we've got dry powder, right? Let's get into it. Look, Dow falls for a third day. Look at this. Losses more than 350 points as Treasury yields march higher. So the Treasury yields are spiking. 30-year fixed mortgages, actually the price is going up. Existing home sales are down. So it's a pancake of effect that's happening. What I mean by that is, look at this. At the time of filming this, the S&P down 68 points, NASDAQ down 355 points. The NASDAQ is absolutely tanking. And then we have the Dow down 474 points. It may be down lower when you see it, right? Then we have Tesla that actually reports at closing bell today. And you could see that Tesla is down. So Tesla's been drifting down for the whole week, right? For the whole month, Tesla has been selling off. Now, I bought a boatload of stuff, which I will share with you a little later. Okay. So now, if the market is down, for those of you that really know crypto and are just guessing it or just buy, you know that when the market goes down, crypto goes down also, right? So if Bitcoin is down, then you know that it's a domino effect. If Bitcoin is down, all of the alts are down, all right? With the exception, no, all of the alts are down today. Look at that. Red. And if all of the alts are down, then all of the memes are down. Look at this. With the exception of Dog with Hat, which is flat, which will be red, they are all down, okay? So it is a domino effect, good people. It's a domino effect. Now, if crypto is down, guess what else is down? All right. The Bitcoin miners are also down. We got Mara, Riot, CleanSpark, MicroStrategy. Someone asked, hey, why is MicroStrategy up and Bitcoin is down? And I literally said, give it time. It'll be down today. And it was just a delayed reaction. Stick to the basics, good people. Stick to the fundamentals. So MicroStrategy is down 6%, and Mara's down 8%, Riot and CleanSpark. CleanSpark is down almost 10%, right? But for those of us that have been listening and don't get excited when there's a couple of green days, though we're in a bull market, that's why I said that for all of the money that I'm putting into my brokers, I'm holding cash 4 times such as this. All right, good people. So I wanted to show you that now we have other problems like McDonald's going down, right? McDonald's was already not looking good. They've been in this $5 war, and now they got E. coli going on, and then we got Starbucks going down. Now, those two are two main indicators on the wealth and health of consumers, you and I.
Very important. Shares of Starbucks and McDonald's in focus, deep in the red. Our Kate Rogers has more on both of those moves. What a series of stories last night, Kate.
Oh my gosh, within 10 minutes of one another, Carl. We'll start with McDonald's. Shares of the fast food giant down more than 4% today after the CDC reported the company had been linked to an E. coli outbreak with its Quarter Pounder product. This is the first outbreak of foodborne illness at McDonald's since 2018, when around 500 people were sickened from Cliospora bacteria in its salads. The company says CDC initial findings indicate the issue may be linked to slivered onions that are used in the Quarter Pounder and sourced by a single supplier that serves 3 distribution centers. Turning to Starbucks, that stock also lower, warning with preliminary results yesterday that missed across the board and suspending its 2025 full-year guidance. Clearly a big leadership change here under Brian Niccol, as this will be his first quarter as CEO. The company says it expects 80 cents adjusted versus $1.03 estimated. Revenues $9.1 billion versus $9.38 billion. Same-store sales fell 7%. That's around double the anticipated drop the street was looking for. Starbucks also reporting a 6% decline in U.S. comp store sales. In China, comp store sales declined 14%.
Starbucks actually is also experiencing low foot traffic in their stores, right? Now, this is telling you what the consumer is doing. Either they are strapped for cash, or they're just pulling back because they're scared of what's going on. Now, the fear gauge will start to go up. And like I got into that call, you will see that the VIX is starting to spike up. And that's why I got into that VIX call. All right. So good people, we got to understand what's going on. We talked about this. I talked about from August down to September, how the market will slowly come down, which it has done. I talked about how September was one of the worst months traditionally, and especially in an election year. It was choppy, though the beginning of October was up. I also said that it 2 weeks or 10 days before the election, if the election is going close, running close, that there will be volatility. And that's what the VIX actually measures. And it is. So let's look at this, good people. All right. So we don't have fear, right? If you're not in fear and you are not scared and you're prepared, leave me a coffee cup in the chat. All right. So look at this, good people. Stock market returns between elections. This is the minimum, boom. This is the average, and this is the maximum. 1 year, look at this. 1 year after, look at that. You see that? 8.3% returns, okay? 2 years after, 4.2% average, but then you can see the range, okay? And then 3 years after, the average is 14.7%, right? 14.7% is the average return 3 years after an election cycle. Let's look at this, good people. I want you guys to understand this and not trade on your emotions. Look over here, all right? You can check this data out later, but look at here. S&P index total returns during presidential elections from 1928 through 2016. Okay, a Republican elected. U.S. presidential election results. Average returns. Republican was elected, 15.3% returns, which is absolutely insane, out of the park. A Democrat brought on average 7.6, all elections around 11.28. It doesn't matter who's going to be president. We will be okay. Don't listen to the fear mongering. Listen to what's going to make you money. Today is the day to remove your emotions and not panic sell. Look at this. Observation. There has been 23 elections since the S&P index began, right? 19 of the 23 years, 83% provided positive performance. Look at that. 83%. When it was a Democrat, 11%. All right. I'm sorry. When a Democrat was in office and a new Democrat was elected, so the Democrats kept the office, we had a return of 11%. When a Democrat was in office and a Republican was elected, the total returns for the year's average was 12.9%. Let's call that 13%. So 11%, 13%. And I've been constantly saying that without people getting their feelings hurt, all right, and getting in their emotions. Don't trade emotions. Don't trade the politicians. Don't listen to the fear mongering on either side. Let's focus on our money, because at the end of the day, there's going to be a multimillionaire and a billionaire that's going to go away, and they're going to live their lifestyles, and we're down here fighting like idiots. All right? I'm just going to keep it real. Okay, so station break right here, and then this is timestamp. Look, good people, don't play. Invest in yourself, all right? Invest, learn, test, earn. Invest in yourself, learn, all right, what you invested in, test it, and then earn in stocks and in crypto. And of course, lastly, Moomoo has this 8.1% fixed, guaranteed fixed, no risk, all right? Plus up to 20 free stock. Moomoo offers low trading fees. You can trade US stocks, ETFs, and options with zero commissions. No minimum deposit required, no account maintenance fees. Also, zero platform fees and zero contract fees for equity options and ETF options. Other fees may apply. For more information, visit moomoo.com/US pricing. You also get access to many pro tools as well, such as option price calculator, real-time options chain, options unusual activity, etc. If you trade options, don't miss out. Now, before I go into what I bought today, which I did, it's going to be easy. I want to point this out. I want you guys to read this. I'm going to have this up in time for you to make your moves. Okay, look at this, good people. I pinned this comment up because first, whoever this guy is, he came at me. What's up, Unc? Are you still pumping trashy penny stocks, leaving your viewers holding the bag? Now, I don't want you guys to go in on him. I literally came back and I said, never did. You either FOMO'd into something without doing any research, which he did, or you heard this trash from someone else that loves to hate. And then I said, everyone that has followed me and listened made money. Come on, man, you're better than this. Now, what can I help you with, right? That's what I did. I left it there. I pinned it so all you guys could see it. Because at the end of the day, I want you guys to make money, all right? Now, this brother came back 26 minutes ago. He says he bought in Seago and HYLN, which these were SPACs, okay? Back when you were pumping them near the top. So what you were wrong at is I didn't pump them near the top. I talked about them when they were SPACs. We made money on both of those plays, and we made money on the warrants. We did. Now, yes, they were running, and we made money, and we tapped out. You came at the top, sir, but I want to help you. Now, good people, the reason why I'm putting this in, if you've been in any bad play, any play that anyone talked about, and now, you know what? Let's back that up. If you've been in a bad play that I covered, but you continue to listen, you continue to learn, and you've minimally 10x'd what you lost, which means that you won, because no one is going to be 100%. Then help him out, right? Talk to him about stop losses. Talk to him about doing his research. Talk to him about position size, not YOLOing into just a stock like this, right? My question is, did you buy any VOO? Did you buy any VTI that I've been talking about since I started this page in 2020? And the answer is probably no. And or if I gave you 12 plays and 10 of them were good and these are the only 2 that were bad, then you're still winning. But I think you YOLO. But I want to help you. The rest of you guys, don't try it. I'm not falling for it. Something in my spirit says this guy needs help. So let's help him. I want you to stay engaged. Whoever you are, whatever you are, I want you to stay engaged because I want to help you make money. That's why I'm here. So let's encourage him. Okay. Let's not go after him. Let's encourage him and see. All right. I wish I had some way of looking at your portfolio. And if you really wanted to show me your portfolio, and then I will help you. Okay. That's what I'm here for. So don't listen to anybody else. I can't tell you how many people came here and made statements like this that hasn't been following me by some other hit job. And then they wind up making money, but they never come back and say, I make money. They email me, right? They'll DM me weeks after the video. Hey, I came here. Somebody was talking about you. Now I'm making money. Sorry, right? They never say sorry. But you, sir, I want to help. All right. I want to help you. Something in my spirit says you deserve to be helped. So we are not going in after him. But if you see anybody making any comments like this, feel free to correct them. Now, let's talk about what I bought. And I'm not going to be able to put these on the screen because I want to get these up. These are no surprise. You guys know I have 3 major crypto portfolios, right? With Fidelity, you could actually do this in brackets. So I have it in brackets. And this will help you. I have an ETF portfolio. I have a blue chip portfolio, which is mostly tech now, right? And then I have a growth portfolio, right? So in my ETF portfolio today, I bought and I'm going to go back and buy if by close they go down even further. And if the market continues to fall tomorrow, I will buy more. I bought more of the ETF VUG, of course, VTI, which is the overall stock market. I bought more VOO, S&P 500. Okay. I bought more QQQ, and I bought twice as much QQQ. Now I buy these daily, but I doubled my daily amount that I have been purchasing. So I bought more QQQ. All right. And then today I added IYM. IYM. That's a tech ETF. I'm going to buy these when they're beat down. Okay. So my blue chip, in my blue chip portfolio, I bought a little more NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA, Microsoft, MSFT, a little Meta, METH. What did I do? I just doubled my daily dollar cost average amount. Okay. I bought a little Amazon. Okay. And that's what I did. I doubled those positions. Now, I bought a little Tesla, but if Tesla falls after earnings tonight, I am going to buy a bigger chunk of Tesla. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. All right. But these are the fundamentals that I talk about 10 times as much as anything else. But I ain't gonna say no one, but some people never listen to this portion. And I've been talking about this since 2020. Okay. At the end of the day, I don't want to be right. I want to make money and I want to make you money. That's what I want. Okay. So in my growth, I bought a little more Affirm, which I am up over 30% on Affirm since I've been talking about it. I bought a little more DraftKings. The ticker symbol for Affirm is AFRM. A little more DraftKings. The ticker symbol is DKNG. A little more Palantir. Ticker symbol PLTR. And a little more SoFi. Ticker symbol SOFI. Okay, we're going live tonight. The Stock Squad and myself, I will talk about those then. I'm going to leave it right there, good people. I know this one is long, but it was worth the wait. It is full of gems. Remember, if you've been listening to me for a while and you have been making money, even if you've had a loss, just type in, yes, I've been making money. And you know, you can feel free to say why so we can help this gentleman out. Let's help him out. All right. Sometimes you have to rise above and help people because they're just simply struggling. And I just feel like he's struggling. All right, brother, we want to help you. All right. That's it. I want you to make money. We will see you tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that is 6 p.m. Chicago time. That's 4 p.m. LA time. We will go live with the guys. OK, I will see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.